Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great today. I have a small project share, something that I've been working on, using again my Cherry Sweet collection from Frank Garcia. I've been having so much fun using up this collection. I still have a few sheets left, and I'm gonna see what else I can make with it, because I would like to kill the paper pad. No longer have it. I'll probably be left a lot with the embellishment stuff like the stickers and the ephemera, but I'm pretty sure I could use that with some other of his collections. But anyways, let me go ahead and share with you what I created, and I was totally inspired to make this by pink strawberries. And this is a project that she had, a tutorial that she had shared about 5 years ago, and I had it in my crafty bucket list of things that I want to make. So it is called the Loaded Pocket Organizer, and this is what I created. I created handles and for hanging. Really cute. This is trim that I purchased from Hobby Lobby a while ago, and I had it in my stash. And yeah, so this pocket organizer measures 5 by 7, so it's 7 inches wide and 5 inches tall. It's really cute. It's small, but it holds a lot of stuff, as you can see. So I do have here a few stuff that I had purchased in my haul video from Michaels and from Hobby Lobby. And so yeah, so here in the front is two pockets and then a smaller pocket right here. With this pocket, I put one of those cherry appliques that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. I was thinking about doing something else with it, like gifting it, but then when I saw Pink Strawberries tutorial, she showed one of them that she had created, and it had a big old flower right here. So I looked at it, I measured it, and I was like, it fits perfect. So I think it looks so cute right here, and it goes with the theme. So really beautiful. I just love it. And then this packet right here, I actually it's the correct dimensions, only that I folded it or the way I scored it was actually incorrect. So the packet came out to be too small, but you know what, it still looks cute. It works out. My bow fits perfectly here, and this bow is from Michaels. So let me go ahead and share with you what's in this tiny little pocket. So I have a couple of die cuts, and I think this is from Chaos Crafts, maybe from a couple of years ago. I'm not sure. I had these die cuts in my stash that I had cut out, and so I decided to put like little fillers in there. So I have these two die cuts. Then I have this that I shared in my I hauled it now what video. So here are, if you haven't checked that out, I will put the link down below in the description box. But that's what I did, an embellishment right there. Then I added one of these roses from Anna Griffin. I have a box of roses, different colors. Well, it's mostly pinks, peach, and yellow. So I put this in there as a filler. I just love it. And then here is one of those picks from Michaels, and I decided to add one of those little heart pearl stickers from I believe this is from Hobby Lobby. So yeah, I put it there, and then here's a little pocket, really cute. Then in this pocket, I have I used a puffy heart as a filler, and it can be used as well. What's in here? Oh, I think there's glue in here. Okay, I'm gonna have to replace this glue from this patch. Got stuck on it, so I'm gonna have to replace that. But here is another flower, a bigger rose from Anna Griffin from the box. Here is a tag, and I used a tag, and I put a little red bow, also some trim here, and that's to hold this embellishment. So I have a little glue dot, it's very small glue dot, holding this in the tag, and it can be peeled off, and then this tag can be used for something else. So I got that. And then here is a bingo card that I have stamped myself using and I stamped it on the paper, a paper scrap. And then here are two more embellishments that I created that I shared in my last video, last Valentine embellishment video that I shared. And then here's another embellishment, really cute. I love this. Here's one of those little festive picks right here as a filler. Here is another tag. So beautiful. I love that bunny rabbit. He is so cute, or she is so cute. Oh my goodness. So adorable. And it says, and even on my rainy days, you were my sunshine. With a little heart. Isn't that adorable? So I put that there. And then here's another pocket. So there's a total of 4 pockets. You know, there's this larger pocket in the back, this one, and then this one. So there's a total of 4 pockets. So then on the pocket on the back, I put one of these printing cuts, and this is an enlarged image of one of Luisa's Valentine collections. So I had it in my stash, and I went ahead and decided to add it here. Then here is a washi tape. So I have purchased a lot of these cherry themed washi tapes from Temu, and so I'm sharing them. And then here's this embellishment that I created, and you guys seen the video. So I'm adding 2. So that's that one right there. And then here's another one, another heart embellishment. And then here's a pen. Can't remember if it's from Dollar Tree or from Walmart. I had it in my stash because I added this little altar notebook that I wanted to include in the little pockets. Really, really cute. Here's this image from Frank Garcia Studio. I added some trim from Dollar Tree. These are flowers that comes with the collection. I added washi tape. It's white polka dot washi tape. I think it came with this one right here. And then that's that red bow from Michaels. Really, really cute. And then this twine is also from Michaels. And I just wrapped it around. And it's finished in the back as well. Really cute. I love this. This came out so adorable. And then here's a lollipop. Really adorable. And then here's another pick that can be embellished or as is. So that's included. And then here is my cherry frames that I was inspired by the frames that I have seen in Hobby Lobby, the bow frames. And I was inspired to create cherry frames. And they're just so cute. And these are perfect to put on those little 3x3 cards from Hobby Lobby, the Valentine ones. I mean, these little small embellishments like this, like these. And this one looks so cute on those 3x3 cards. And this one will look really cute on them as well. And then here's a bag topper. Now this bag topper, I used the packaging. This is the packaging for, oops, sorry, just ran away from me. So this is the packaging that this patch came in. And so what I did was I had these cutouts that came from the tote that I had shared in a few videos back, that bow tote. So this was the cutout of the window, and I thought it would look great as a bag topper, and that's what I did. So then I used it as a bag topper. I added the trim from Dollar Tree. This is pearls, also red pearls from Dollar Tree. And then this is a portion of my banner. So what I did, since it didn't fit here, I went ahead and I just trimmed it. And I put a portion right here. And then this part can be used somewhere else. It could be used as an embellishment to something else that you want to make. So you could even cut this apart. And I think, I'm not sure, yeah, cut it apart and then use it as an embellishment like this. That's what I did with the leftover envelopes that I had that I couldn't make another banner with. But yeah, so that's the little projects that I made. It came out so adorable. So this is 5 inches. So this pocket is about 4 inches high, or 3 3/4 inches high, because you have to create a gusset. So in the bottom, so you have to score 1/2 inch from the bottom. So yeah, and then what I did is I added red bows right here, really cute. I used plain pink cardstock, and this board is really, really thick. And the board that I use is the canvas boards that I have found at Ross. There was a pack of them, I think of 5 or 10. No, there was a pack of 10 for like $4.99 that I purchased at Ross a while back, and I found it in my stash, and and that's what I decided to use as the backing for this pocket organizer, and it's really deep. I love it. I will link her tutorial down below in the description box. I had so much fun creating this, and it just makes a cute little gift for anyone, for any of your crafty friends. So, all right, everyone, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And I want to say welcome to all my new subscribers. I have seen a lot of people subscribing to my channel, and I thank you so very much. And also, I enjoyed reading your comments from your previous comments. Thank you. And I think I responded to a few that had questions, but I know I definitely hearted all of your comments. So again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye.